demonstration of image steganography using AES, DES and LSB technique. Here we will be using three encryption techniques to encrypt the plain text and send it along with the image data for security purpose. So now let's have a look into the system. This is a desktop application, okay, and this is the login page. So first you need to enter the username and password. So once you're done, just click on login. So as soon as you log in, there will be two options, that is encode and decode. So first you just need to click on encode. So as soon as you click on encode, a page will be displayed where transaction ID will be displayed to you. That will be automatically generated by the system. So this is so here the transaction ID is 113, and here you need to select the technique by which you want to encrypt the plain text. So here there are three options: AES, DES and LSB. So suppose I click on AES, and after that you need to select the image. Okay, so once you're done, just enter the key with which you want to encrypt the plain text using AES. So suppose the key is this, and the secret message that you want to hide it from the intruder. Okay, and the next step is to select the user ID to whom you want to send this message. Okay, so here the user ID of all the registered users will be displayed over here. Here you just need to select the user ID and just click on encode. So as soon as you click on encode, the message will be sent to that user, and the system will also display some more information, for example, size of image before encryption in bytes, size of image after encryption in bytes, and time taken to encrypt the data in milliseconds. Okay, so after you're done, just click on decode, and suppose you enter the transaction ID and just click on search. Here a message is shown. So as soon as you click on search, a message will pop up that is access is denied, which means that you cannot access this secret message since it is not being sent to you. So you have to log in as a user to whom this message is being sent. Okay, so now let's log in as that user. And click on login, decode. Suppose the transaction ID 113, AES, and the key. So as soon as you click on search, the system will show you the time taken to decrypt the data in milliseconds, and the image that you sent, and the secret message which you have embedded to the image. So now let's log in as a first user and check the rest of the encryption technique. Okay, now suppose I want to encrypt the data using DES, so I just need to select the DES option and click on upload. That is the image with which you want to hide the data, and here you need to enter the key, which will be only 8 characters, which means your key should be only 64-bit. Okay, and again you need to select the user ID. Okay, and click on encode. So again, the size of image before encryption in bytes and after encryption in bytes, and the time taken to encrypt the data in milliseconds. Okay, suppose now you want to decode the data, so you need to enter the same transaction ID and the technique used, and the 8-character key. Once you're done, just click on search. So you can see the system has displayed the image behind which you have hidden the data, and here you can even see the secret message and the time taken to decrypt in milliseconds. Now let's encode the data using LSB technique. Okay, again the transaction ID is automatically generated by the system, and you need to select the technique used and upload the image. And here the key and some message, okay, and the user ID to whom you want to send the message, and click on encode. So you can see these messages that are displayed by the system. Now click on decode and enter the transaction ID and the technique used and the key, and click on search. So here you can see again the time taken to decrypt, the secret message, and the image is being displayed to you. So this is how the system ensures security using these 3 techniques, and thus the data is hidden behind the image, and the intruder will never come to know about the secret message. So this is all about how the system works. Thank you.